Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to edit or customize your item receipts in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to your left side of your screen to open the all apps, and you will find all of your available apps here, and you can go to inventory, and then you will see item receipts. You can click on it. After that, you will be in this page, item receipts page, and you will see all of your item receipts here. In my case, I only have one item receipt here. So yeah, let's say I want to edit this receipt. You can just click this button, I think, or link. So view slash edit, you can click on it. And now you can edit your item receipt. So you can maybe change the vendor if you mistakenly choose the vendor, and you can change the date, the item. Maybe you want to download, to delete something. Maybe you want to delete this one. You can just click this icon to delete it. It will automatically delete like this. And then maybe you want to add a memo, or you can also add a new attachment if you want. And then yeah, I think that's it. You can just click save, or you can save and close. It's up to you. I'm gonna click save and close, and it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.